Hi everybody, this is Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements. And here we are in Premiere Elements, looking at some of the cool features that are sometimes buried in the program or that people don't notice. One such feature is over on the Project Assets panel. Now, I don't know if you've explored, when you open the Project Assets panel, some of the options that are available here. For instance, there's a pin. If this pin is clicked on, as it is now, or toggled on, when I click away from Project Assets, it remains open. If I click on that pin and turn it off, as soon as I click away from Project Assets, it closes. It's a matter of preference. There's no right answer, but the pin can affect how the Project Assets panel performs. Also, this little hamburger menu, that's what you call these three lines here in the upper right-hand corner, contains some cool features. You can, of course, set the Project Assets panel to go in grid view or list view. You can sort it by creation date or file name. You can create a new folder in here, which you could also create using a right click. So you can store your media in subfolders. And under New Item are a number of very cool new items. Now, adjustment layers are a little bit different. I'd cover that in another tutorial. But you can create a title from here. You can create bars and tone. In the old days when you used to queue up videos on tape, you had bars and tone at the beginning so that the broadcaster can set your audio level and your picture level. Black video, which creates a 5-second strip of video. You can use that to add a space in your movie or as a background for titles or some other picture-in-picture effect. Color matte is similar to a black video, except you can make it any color you want. And then the universal counting leader. Now, I'm not sure if this is on the Mac. It didn't used to be, but the universal counting leader you can add at the very beginning of your movie. And it's, again, used to be used in the old days to queue up videos so that the broadcaster can have it queued up and ready to go whenever they just press the play button. Now, you can do some customization here to this universal counting leader. If you change color, you're not stuck with black and white. You can actually change the universal counting leader to different colors. Really, functionally, there's not really a use for the universal counting leader anymore because now electronic videos are ready to go. They're queued up and everything all set to launch. But maybe you want to add one at the beginning to just give your movie kind of an old style countdown leader like the old movies used to have, a countdown leader before the video starts. And if you want to, you can make it kind of colorful and fun here too. There's even a cue blip when you get to 2 seconds to signal that the movie is ready to start. So it's worth exploring these little hamburger menus. It's worth exploring some of these sub-menus. It's worth learning what's there, just in case you need them, or you can just have a lot of fun with them too. Now, if you want to know more about this program and all the hidden features in it, you'll want to check out the tips and tutorials we have at MoviePix.com. If you want to know everything about this program, you'll check out the MoviePix.com Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements. I'm the guy who wrote the book. My name's Steve, and I hope I see you again sometime soon.